kadindora. Ho, dakban ang kikadakan yung mamanali dapuyat. Nói cái cắt chơi bay po đó là tôi. Ho, dakban yung.
Ya kan dulu deh.
Rồi không không? À. 1, 2, 3. Nah.
This is a matter of time. Not if Kane has anything to say with it. Kane has been spectacular here already. Is that where you want to be? You're on. Sheamus, the Celtic Warrior, the United States champion. Is that where you want to be? Sheamus takes out Reigns. Now Del Rio caught by Sheamus with the arrow. Sheamus with one noise. One in this match. Where you want to be? Randy Orton may not want to get back. Rocky right to Cena. Go for Sheamus.
I think Sheamus just doesn't feel comfortable as long as Orton's still inside that ring. Where you want to be? Sheamus.
This is Sheamus' moment. His opportunity.
Off the foot of Roman Reigns. Out of the ring.
What is Cesaro doing? This is on top of the ladder. And look at the championship. Just dangling between both men as they continue the ladder through the ladder to Reigns. Reigns knocked off. Now John Cena to Del Rio. And Cesaro and Sheamus continue the fight on top of the ladder. Reigns lifting that ladder up. Cesaro, Sheamus, Cesaro just dangling. Hanging on with one arm.
Oh my gosh.
To the championship momentarily.
Yeah, but how precarious is that teetering ladders? Look out.
Bray Wyatt. And now Kane, who's been a one-man wrecking crew here tonight, takes out Del Rio. Orton and Kane desperately trying to get Sheamus on the
No.
Oh, ano di?
And now Sheamus. And Sheamus has still got fight in him.
I know you say anything.
Life's not fair, King. It is what it
Is he
is.
going to hold the ladder again? Going to steady competitors in this match. Watch Roman Reigns come with a big spear. Not where you want to be.
Kane sandwiched.
Roman Reigns, but now there's one in Reigns. Facing off. Eyes on the prize, and here they go. Hammering away at each other. There's no ladder in the ring.
Roman Reigns countered. Reigns with a spear to Cena. A spear to Cena. Kane sandwiched. And now Randy Orton grabbing the leg. Kane in position. Reigns is in. Oh my God! Hey, look!
Orton hit. Once again bleeding, but Bray Wyatt.
And it's Bray Wyatt. Sister Abigail the walk out. Del Rio. And that's his opportunity. Del Rio to win the championship.
Mexico's greatest export.
The WWE bye-bye. As Sheamus would say. Kick.
That's not where you want to be.
And sandwich.
Cesaro grabbing the ankle of the killer. Ladder, look at this.
Neutralizer. And now it's Randy Orton. KO. Here tonight, he's going to bring the championship back to the Authority.
What a sensational move by Randy Orton. And now all he's got to do is go,
to this matchup. And Baron Corbin through the second rope. Randy Orton. It's been the Randy Orton highlight reel so far tonight.
Randy's sticking with what works. He's waiting on the outside. He's picking his spots. He's choosing his moments.
He's the veteran. He's been in more of these matches than anybody else in this match here tonight. Randy Orton.
Orton picking his spot to go to that.
Everywhere. Randy Orton now alone in the ring. And then there's a ladder inside as well.
Orton surveying the...
You gotta be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Oh my God! He caught him in an RKO in midair! An RKO in midair! Oh my unbelievable! It's rare to get a championship opportunity in your career. Riddle has that chance tonight, and a kick now to Roman Reigns, trying to keep Roman Reigns. Oh, look at the fisherman suplex by Riddle. And Roman Reigns going to roll out of the ring and try to regroup. Meanwhile, Riddle's going to head out to the apron and right into the face of the champion. And now Riddle off the second rope, corkscrew moonsault. The champ's in trouble. Can Riddle do it? Can Riddle pull off a miracle?
Vintage Randy.
And now Riddle going to that place where Randy Orton hears the voices in his head. Can Riddle do it? Can Riddle pull off one of the biggest upsets ever? As Randy Orton looks on, RKO blocked. Roman blocked the RKO. Superman punch. Cover, hook of the leg. Roman, oh no! Oh no! Riddle kicked out. Riddle kicked out. And if he hits this, Riddle will be down and out. Roman Reigns, Riddle caught him, RKO for the championship, for the championship. Riddle's gonna do it. Damn it, he's gonna do it. And Reigns kicked out at two.
They would have been documentaries about tonight.
Riddle gonna look to put Roman Reigns away. There it is. Can Riddle do it? Can Riddle do the unthinkable?
Is Riddle the next champ?
RKO blocked again by Reigns. Roman misses wildly. Suplex by Riddle. And Roman Reigns going to roll out of the ring and try to regroup. Meanwhile, Riddle's going to head out to the apron and right into the face of the champion. And now Riddle off the second rope, corkscrew moonsault. The champ's in trouble. Can Riddle do it? Can Riddle pull off a miracle?
Vintage Randy.
And now Riddle going to that place where Randy Orton hears the voices in his head. Can Riddle do it? Can Riddle pull off one of the biggest upsets ever? As Randy Orton looks on, RKO blocked. Roman blocked the RKO. Superman punch. Cover, hook of the leg. Roman, oh no! Riddle kicked out. Riddle kicked out. And if he hits this, Riddle will be down and out. Roman Reigns, Riddle caught him, RKO for the championship, for the championship. Riddle's gonna do it. Damn it, he's gonna do it. And Reigns kicked out at two.
They would have been documentaries about tonight.
Riddle gonna look to put Roman Reigns away. There it is. Can Riddle do it? Can Riddle do the unthinkable?
Is Riddle the next champ?
RKO blocked again by Reigns. Roman misses wildly. Riddle off the six.